Spring is here, and so is Hobby Lobby's new Spring Shop collection. From fresh home essentials to spring decor, Hobby Lobby has just what you need to revitalize your kitchen this season. The island is the heart of your kitchen. Gather items like florals, dishes, and a fruit bowl together in a wooden tray for an easy island centerpiece. Rustic plates, bowls, platters, and more create a modern farmhouse atmosphere that elevates any family meal. Hobby Lobby's table runners come in all sorts of textures, patterns, and colors that are perfect for setting the springtime table. Traditional meets modern with these canisters and containers, so you're sure to find the right fit for your organizing style. Coordinating your pot holders, oven mitts, and towels is a quick and easy way to refresh your kitchen style. You can also look to Hobby Lobby for countertop appliances that complement your kitchen's new style. A cozy coffee bar adds a touch of nostalgia to your kitchen, so you can serve up breakfast with a vintage flair. Then trade in unsightly cleaning utensils for dustpans, dish brushes, and soaps worthy of cottage life. Keep knives sharp and serving easy with wooden cutting boards and charcuterie trays. And with carvings and textures this lovely, you could even display them on your countertop between uses. Don't forget to show your walls a little love. There are so many options with Hobby Lobby's wall decor. Shop the collection now for a limited time in stores or online at hobbylobby.com. For more inspiration, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.